you go, internet broken. The big reveal.
Hooray! Rockers. That aren't
Holy hell.
That aren't
Oh, I've seen worse. I've seen worse.
nothing.
Is that meant to happen?
Classic Renault style. Every valve's jammed in the open position. And count them up.
All right.
7 out of 8.
So we're going through the hydraulic
so this
lash
is a good
adjusters.
That's good.
Alright, show me this bad one.
It's got like a little thing on the side there.
So what are we doing today, Woody?
We're putting a head on. So we've just used the head that's off this again, washed it, cleaned it, dropped all 16 new valves in,
Yep.
reused the springs and the collets and the hats, and yeah, it's ready to go back on now.
Ready to bolt up.
And we've got the bigger cam, the 172 cam shafts are ready.
Yeah, because that's the interesting part, isn't it? You're putting the 172 cams in the 225.
Yeah.
It is like,
Get a shot of the smile on that guy's face.
That's how you rebuild a Megane. 10
Rebuild.
easy steps.